Hi there, Andrew Ross from Indie Garage. The Ontario government released an automotive strategy document about a week ago. And in that document, there was absolutely no recognition whatsoever that the automotive aftermarket even exists. It's a little disappointing, but probably not surprising. Now, I do know that officials with the Automotive Industry Association of Canada and stakeholders, are meeting with the provincial government officials and members of parliament as well. But here I'm going to ask you to do something. I want you to go to your computer, Google local MP and local MPP. Depending where you are, that might be a member of National Assembly, so M&A, and call that number. Call your local elected officials. Tell them your concerns with access to information moving forward, access to tools, access to training. There's a technological revolution going on in automotive, and it is absolutely going to require an automotive aftermarket that is equipped to deal with those vehicles on the road. There is no reasonable expectation, or there shouldn't be, that the OEM new car dealer network will be able to handle the volume of vehicles moving forward. They can't do it now. They won't be able to do it in the future. It's not a capability issue. It's simply a location issue. So the automotive aftermarket is critical to this safe mobility of Canada's population moving forward. So call those numbers, talk to those elected officials, invite them to your place of business, show them what you do, explain to them your concerns, explain what you do now to ensure that your customers have safe access to mobility, and what your concerns are moving forward in retaining that. Last November, at the Apex show in Las Vegas, during the breakfast town hall, Karl Rove asked us, the assembled industry, how many in the audience had been in touch with their local elected officials. The few hands that went up was shocking, and to be perfectly honest with you, quite shameful. We need to be engaged at the grassroots level with our local elected officials. We need to explain to them what we do, what our concerns are, what we need to be successful in the future, and how the automotive aftermarket is a critical part of that safe mobility moving forward. That's all for now. So look up those numbers, make those calls, and work for all of us. Fight for our industry. Thanks so much.